So this is the body of the rocket. The parachute is loaded already and wadding material, shock cord, and the burst charge, or the parachute ejection charge. Those are the wires coming out for it. And it's all set and ready to go. And then this is the camera module that hopefully will get some good footage as the rocket ascends and comes back down. And there's a small hole here where I can turn it on and off and poke something through. Smaller parachute for the top section of the rocket. A little bit crude, but it'll work. Okay, and then here's the battery section. And that just slides into the top of that. And then this extends down so that it can trigger the ejection charge, which is hooked up there. So the battery goes into the receiver. And there's a voltage converter actually in here. And an electronic switch. And between that, it's going to trigger the battery going into here and then coming back out. Whenever the remote control is triggered, it will then release the ejection charge and the parachute. And this just goes up inside the nose cone. And to trigger that is just a 9X transmitter. And if I just use right on the stick right here, it's going to trigger it. So hopefully we have a successful flight. So here is the launcher, the air cannon, ready to go. This is the air valve that releases the sprinkler valve very quickly, quicker than the electronics that come with the sprinkler valve. And the remote that triggers that. And the battery pack and everything else needed.